Every day, healthcare providers face an invisible challenge: disconnected systems, systems that don't communicate, systems that create more questions than answers. Did you know that 80% of healthcare providers are stuck navigating this maze of disconnected platforms? The result? Precious time is wasted. Patients wait unsure. And doctors work with incomplete information. Lives hang in the balance. Heavy, concerned, and emotional. Imagine being a doctor who needs to decide a patient's treatment but doesn't have their complete history. Lab results from one system, prescriptions from another, critical details missing. Would you take that risk? Sadly, this is the reality. Every single day. For patients, this means frustration, telling their story over and over, waiting for test results that should already be there, hoping the care they get is right. It's a system that isn't just inconvenient, it's dangerous, and the consequences are real. Interoperability is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. But what if it didn't have to be this way? What if there was a solution that eliminated these gaps? A solution that made systems work together seamlessly, that empowered doctors to make informed decisions and gave patients the care they deserve without delays or barriers. Introducing Fusion, a groundbreaking solution designed to transform how healthcare connects. Fusion bridges the gaps between systems, integrates information across labs, clinics, pharmacies, and hospitals, and ensures every piece of critical data is exactly where it needs to be, at the right time. With Fusion, care becomes timely, decisions become informed, and outcomes become better. It's not just about technology, it's about trust. It's about saving lives. Powerful and visionary, Fusion is the future of healthcare connectivity. A future where delays are eliminated and lives are transformed. And that future is coming soon. Be ready to bridge the gap. Fusion, connecting systems, empowering care, transforming outcomes.